Hope everybody had a good night and having a great Sunday. This is the Drizzler, the right way to get Swisher when you're underage. I'm 32. But people listen to me about nutrition. Some of y'all are 31 and you're like, got confused for a 7-year-old man. Look just like my family and the males in my family, which has been a problem for about 17 years in my life. I have more than one male in my family. I got fat ones, they got all the shout outs. When I was like 14, like 10 to 14, my fat family, most probably got out. So they were still married. 19, it was like 220. 19, like 23. Weight fluctuated. And I think it sits in there consistently. Like 190. I'm doing real good, like 190. Like, I'm actively in like go mode. I'm in go mode when I'm traveling city to city. Save money on rent. Working out outside as a martial artist. Cheating the system like a socialist, like a Russian man. When I say fat, I hate another video, but addendum, PSA. When I say fat, I was like 428 pounds. I was 13 or 14. Some of you are like, that's not important. That's really important.